Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about your Windows PC. And in today's video, I will show you how to clean up temp files on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here, right click on your start. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on run. The next thing you want to do right here is to bring out this your run dialog box right here and go ahead and type in temp. Once you type in temp, hit on OK. And in a few seconds, this window here is going to pop up. All the file you have right here are temporary files that consume storage space on your Windows PC. No matter how the number of files you have right here, you need to make sure you get rid of them completely. So for that, go ahead and press Ctrl A. This allows you to select all the file right here. Press Shift key and Delete key on your keyboard. This is going to pop up. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this 140 items? Go ahead and click on yes. Then this is going to pump up. Do this for all current and go ahead and click on try again, and everything here is going to be fully deleted without any stress. So this is how to clean up all temp file on your Windows PC. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.